this is Shirley Agrupis, President of Mariano Marcos State University.
I'm Marilyn Legaspi. I am a university researcher of the Mariano Marcos State University Crafts Research Division. So I am an BS Agriculture graduate, MS actually, and I've been working here since graduation. Truly, I love doing research. I've been a researcher since graduation.
I am Dr. Dionisio Bukaw, and I am a full-time researcher, supervising education program specialist, but I have also designations. I am the Director of Science and Technology Park, as well as the Chief of the Learning Research Center.
Gloria A. Rosario, a product of MMSU din. My BS is Bachelor of Science in Cultural Engineering. Graduated at MMSU in 1986.
Ako po si Oliva Leda, aquaculturist 2. Ako po ang production in charge ng tilapia commodity dito sa Regional Freshwater Aquaculture Techno-Demo Center, isa sa station ng Gifar Region.
I'm Corazon Maria Victoria Pintauro. I'm popularly known as Coco. I am a BS Agriculture graduate and a horticulture major. I am a graduate of MMSU.
I am Edson Rinyan. I am a former director of the Philippine Fiber Industry Development Authority, and I am based here at the Philfida Research Center 1 in the city of Manila.
As a program leader, we are currently advancing our research in bioethanol because we deployed our technology to NIPA communities. In Ilocos Norte, we have started putting up a NIPA plantation in Curimao and in Paway so that we can also build a village-scale bioethanol industry. Initially, we want to develop a technology that is adaptable in the community so that the community will be empowered and produce ethanol for the blend in the gasoline in order to help reduce the carbon dioxide emission. But because of the pandemic, we a little bit redirected, but without leading the biofuel direction, no? So our intention here is that in addition for biofuel production, we are capacitating our community in order for them to produce their own disinfectant in the form of ethanol. We tend to develop technology that are adaptable at the community level so that we can vertically integrate our community in bioethanol, in the bioethanol industry, in the probiotics and functional food in the food industry, and in the drug discovery. We want to integrate our community in the drug industry.
Best thing that I believe we could offer as a result of our researches is the less known yummy species, particularly kamangeg. So with kamangeg, we were able to develop different food products like kamangeg flour and kamangeg-based food products like the pasensya, the cookies, lengua, and we have yung pride namin is the kamangeg cheesecake. Low priority commodity kasi we all know that kamangeg is growing in the wild, hindi naman yung tinatanim. So, nakita namin na in the local communities, it is one of the sources of income of people who are engaged into kamangeng gathering.
Ay sa na nabinipasyaran ti kamangeng technology. Kahit met ti sapul ko na rigat lang ubra. Kalyum. Anus lang ta at pala mga rumang ay basit ti panagbiag mi ti pamilya. Di do nga putot ko mapagadal ko ida. Sakay ko mata itultuloy da. Teknolohiya ti kamangeng da kaslakan niya.
We were able to develop a technology to process kamangeg into flour. And so we come up with the kamangeg flour. And then, after having the kamangeg flour, ano na ngayon? Yun yung question.
Sa rice naman, of course, in our areas, especially sa Susun, masyadong mahangin. And of course, pag masyadong mahangin, masyadong tutuba yung rice plant. At during planting, medyo affected. Kaya masyadong mababa yung body nila. And so, we ask them to use packaging. So, yun lang mga technologies na ginagamit natin. And whenever there are calamities, meron pa rin silang harvest.
The use of carrageenan in the rice production. They don't depend too much on commercial fertilizers, wherein we know that the price of commercial fertilizers has reached peak during the 2015 until now. Napakamahal talaga ng commercial fertilizer. But with the use of carrageenan in an ideal amount, it is not too much and it is not too less. Then when we compute for the cost, it is lesser than the commercial fertilizers.
Aside from the successful implementation of the project, kasi we have about 1,476 beneficiaries of this project. Students, Ilocos Norte, farmers in 7 municipalities.
Yung mga estudyante namin ang namamahala. So marami kaming mga sinubukang teknolohiya, pestisidyo at ganitong fertilizer para mapaganda ang ani ng aming palay. Hanggang sa dumating sa amin itong si carrageenan na inintroduce sa amin ng Mariano Marcos State University at sinubukan namin itong gamitin sa aming mga palayan. So nakita namin na napakaganda ang epekto nito. Talagang ang aming mga palayan ay nagiging resistant to pests and diseases at naging resistant din sila sa aging. So nakita namin na napakagandang epekto nito sa aming palayan. Kaya ang nangyari, bilang tugon sa pangailangan ng komunidad, ang ginagawa namin, inimbitahan namin yung mga Ilocano farmers na malapit sa munisipyo ng Pasukin para tingnan nila kung ano ang epekto ng carrageenan sa palay na project ng aming mga bata sa loob.
Ang technology na ito, kinokolekta natin yung egg ng tilapia at papa-hatch natin sa modified intensive tilapia hatchery. Ang ina-address po ng technology na ito is yung problema sa kakulangan natin sa fingerlings ng ating rehiyon with regard sa tilapia. So, dahil sa technology na ito, na papataas natin yung survival ng mga fry na siyang magiging fingerlings para may mai-provide tayo sa ating mga fisher folk na nag-engage to culture ng tilapia.
Jadi una na data pa lang fish pan basit lang ti production ko kwa to ti mangan ki data agpus nga fry na no kwa so data Kada do basit ay kuana ang product mong punta. Pagdata tano nagpusan, awan timangan nga sa balin.
We are currently revitalizing industry. And the number one problem before, kaya siya na-wipe out, nawala sa mapa ang industriya ng cotton, is because of the infestation of the bollworm. So we are working non-stop to really develop a variety which will answer that problem.
We are now on the process of tuning in again yung machines natin. We are training operators. So that the operators we are training is coming from the Luban Weavers and Cotton Producers Cooperative, where members are the cotton farmers plus the weavers. So they are our beneficiary for this project.
Dito pala kailangan ng cotton talaga para gawing sinulid, para may habiin ng mga habi dito sa lumbaan. Ngayon, doon po nagsimula na nakita nila na potential ang tanim ng cotton. Kasi kailangan talaga na cotton para maging sinulid. Doon gumawa sila ng project na F2F project para yun ang pupunduhan nila para po matulungan ng mga tao dito magtatanim ng cotton, mabigyan nila ng kabuhayan ng mga tao.
We are very successful in developing a technology on how to process kamangig into cheesecake. So now we have the kamangig cheesecake. And I am very happy to inform you, to tell you that our kamangig cheesecake is now being adopted by Tagituro Family. Bali sila na yung nagko-commercialize, and then they are generating income out of the kamangig cheesecake.
While I was browsing the Facebook, nakita ko yung post ng MMSU ATBI na may kamangig cheesecake. And doon ako nagka-interest kasi kamangig, kasi we are Ilocanos, kamangig is a wild yam. So how did that kamangig na root crop lang, indigenous root crop nga na kumbaga it's only one of the ingredients sa ginataan.
We conduct research, we develop technology para matulungan yung mga tao na umangat naman yung kanilang buhay. So far, yung parang hindi pinapansin noon na kamangig, hindi masyadong napapakinabangan. When we go to the communities, yun, parang masaya naman sila na with the technologies na na-develop, it has impacted them in a sense na yung pagbenta nila ng kamangig na kanilang ginagather is mas mataas na yung kanilang nagagather.
I'm thankful that we have this because our aim is that especially to the people of Ilocan dyan, this product should be introduced to them. Hindi lang ma-introduce or matikman nila. Kasi kumbaga pinagmamalaki yung product nila.
This laboratory is yung saksi talaga. Frustration ko, disappointment, yung malapit na ako mag-give up. Pero every time na every morning na gigising ako sa umaga, meron yung hope na sige lang po, do your best. Baka today, okay na. So, yun, hindi ako sumuko talaga.
Kumula yung research at the foundation for the development. But it is satisfying, it is fulfilling, it is something that will enhance our self-esteem. It gives us the worth, the value that as an individual, we are contributing our skills, our knowledge, our talents to the development of, say, the individual, the officer, and the people constituting the community that we are living in.
I like doing new things, especially so when it impacts the lives of people. So, it gives me self-satisfaction and gratification if I do something new na hindi pa naisip ng iba, tapos makakatulong sa kapwa-tao. So, in addition, it fills me self-contentment if what I am doing, if what I am innovating can be transferred to the young people, because we need to capacitate and mentor our young people to do research and innovation. It should be a continuous process.
To the MMSU family who are doing the research, please keep on working for the common good of the Ilocano farmers and for the whole Ilocos Norte as well.
Kahit hindi masyadong nakikita ng publiko kung gaano kahalaga ang partisipasyon niyo sa mga ganitong bagay, ay ipagpatuloy niyo pa rin ang paghahanap ng mga makabagong teknolohi. Makatulong tayo sa ating mga kapwa-tao, lalo sa ating mga magsasaka, lalo sa Ilocos. Mapaganda ang kanilang mga kita, ang kanilang ani, at sa ganun ay umunlad din ang kanilang pamumuhay. So, sabi nga, no effort is wasted. Kahit hindi kayo nababandera sa dyaryo, sa mga ginawa ninyong mga teknolohiya, ay napakalaking tulong naman ang ibinigay nyo para sa lahat ng buhay ng mga magsasaka ng Ilocos.
I've come to realize that products of research really help the farmers, such as the technologies or the information that we generate out of research can be translated to the farmers for their use.
Of course, iba yung journey kasi yung strength of heart.
It's really interesting, no? It's really interesting to do research. Especially if your research emanates from the community. Anong kailangan sa community na kailangan i-address sa laboratory at then ibalik sa kanila as a technology? We are trying to reverse the traditional way of doing research. Before, traditionally, research emanates from the laboratory out of the brilliant mind, the theories, and the concepts.
They are behind the scenes na they are heroes in a way na they keep developing new products for improving our quality of life. Keep on developing, keep on creating, keep on digging and improving more products for a better use.
Doing things collaboratively with the community, which we are practicing here in MMSU, addressing the needs of the community, is a sure hit to making science work for the people.